Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen box break. Sorry, it took a couple extra days. Some teams did not sell on the first day. And if you're buying your own boxes, check out AtlantaSportsCards.com. They have the best prices on the internet. And this is the box. I think I showed it on the video on Sunday. There's a watermark. What else? I don't see any others on the front. I don't know if I showed the back. There's some watermarks in the back though. There's one there. So this is indeed the box. There's the mini pack. We have David Ortiz, Justin Upton, Mike Schmidt, Reggie Jackson, Jimmy Rollins, Andrew McCutcheon, Josh Hamilton, Jim Thome Moonshots, Eric Chavez. It's Andy Chavez, I think. Mets, Glove Stories, and Sliding Stars, Jimmy Rollins. I think these are all base in here. Yeah. Ricky Romero, Clay Buchholz, Shane Victorino, Ryan Roberts, Dan Herron, Eric Hosmer, Evan Longoria mini, Gypsy Queen back. Nice. Jason Hayward, Victor Martinez, Mark Trumbo. Raleigh Fingers, Tony Gwynn, Eddie Murray, Willie Mays, Bob Gibson, Derek Jeter Sliding Stars, Duke Snider regular back, Ian Kinsler, Ivan Nova, Alan Craig. Melky Cabrera, Lance Berkman, Jaime Garcia. The first hit is a relic. Well, here's the mini Brooks Robinson regular back. It's Jimmy Rollins jersey. Albert Pujols Moonshots, Marco Scudero, Chris Sale, and Carlos Santana. Ty Cobb, Johnny Bench, Cliff Lee, Adrian Beltre, Ryan Braun, Tony Gwynn, Warren Spahn mini, Desmond Jennings, Javier Vasquez, Ichiro. Jesus Guzman, Yunel Escobar, Ricky Nolasco, Jose Bautista, that's Gio Gonzalez, sorry. Curtis Granderson, Ryan Sandberg mini with a straight cut back. JD Martinez, Hunter Pence, David Murphy. Troy Tulowitzki, Roy Halladay, Mike Napoli, Prince Fielder, Jeff Francoeur Glove Stories, Prince Fielder Moonshots. I think that's Tommy Hansen. These are so hard to read on these minis. Tommy Hansen Black mini. Corey Lubke, CJ Wilson, D. Gordon. Mike Adams, Justin Verlander, Tim Hudson. Hold on just a second, I'm sorry. Sorry. My girlfriend and I got a new cat, and they're not getting along great, so I had to separate them. Sorry about that. The mini here is Gypsy Queen back, Anibal Sanchez. Giovanni Gallardo, Sergio Santos, and the first auto, Daniel Bard for the Red Sox. Juan Nicasio, Tommy Hansen, Dan Ugla. So one auto and one relic left. Drew Pomeranz, Edwin Jackson, Colby Rasmus, Ted Lilly, Neftali Feliz, Cliff Lee, Ricky Romero mini, Gypsy Queen back, Jordan Walden, Carlos Ruiz, Brandon Morrow. Stan Musial, Larry Doby, Duke Snider, Bob Feller, Babe Ruth, Derek Jeter, a green mini of Jason Worth. Brandon McCarthy, David Robertson, Ike Davis. James Loney, J.J. Hardy, Max Scherzer, Howie Kendrick, Ubaldo Jimenez, Sliding Stars, Jacoby Ellsbury, Hanley Ramirez, Straight Cut Mini, Anibal Sanchez, Mike Kadire, Billy Butler. Evan Longoria, Willie McCovey, Jackie Robinson, Matt Holliday, Carlos Gonzalez, Sliding Star, Niger Morgan, a black mini of Jordan Walden, formerly the closer for the Angels, Scott Rowland, Giovanni Soto, Trevor Cahill. Jacoby Ellsbury, Alex Rodriguez, Jose Reyes, David Freese, Ben Revere, Ryan Howard, Bob Gibson, regular mini, Steven Strasburg, Dexter Fowler, David Ortiz. Joey Votto, Lou Gehrig, Cal Ripken, Frank Thomas, Gypsy King, Jimmy Rollins, Jared Weaver, regular mini, Matt Garza, Aramis Ramirez, Alex Avila. Doug Fister, Jose Valverde, Asdrubal Cabrera, and an Evan Longoria relic. So there should be one auto left. Willie McCovey, Stan Musial, regular back mini, Jameel Weeks, Angel Pagan, Casey Kochman. Roger Maris, Ryan Sandberg, Rod Carew, Miguel Cabrera, Ryan Howard, Reggie Jackson, Lou Brock, regular mini, Alcides Escobar, Josh Johnson, Niger Morgan. Felix Hernandez, Carlton Fisk, Brooks Robinson, Willie Stargell, Doc Gooden, Jesus Montero, Ty Cobb, regular mini, Brian Dempster, Heath Bell, Julius Shashin. We got about 8 packs left. One more. Should be auto. Jeff Neiman, Justin Morneau, Brett Myers, Martin Prado, Mickey Mantle, blue. These are numbered out of 599. Framed card. It's a good one to get, I suppose. Evan Longoria, Johnny Cueto, Craig Kimbrell, Jose Tabata, Jared Parker. Brandon Phillips, Michael Pineda, Lonnie Chisenhall, J.P. Arancibia, Vance Worley, Frank Robinson, Willie Mays, regular mini, Nick Markakis, John Axford, Chris Young. Brandon Belt, Ryan Lavarnaway, Adam Lind, Mark Melancon, Jason Worth, and the second auto, Drew Stubbs for the Reds. And a Drew Stubbs mini with the Gypsy Queen back. Paul Goldschmidt, Sean Markham, Torrey Hunter. Hanley Ramirez, Ian Kennedy, Eddie Matthews, Chase Utley, Warren Spahn, Andrew McCutcheon. A sepia mini of Ian Kennedy, number 67 out of 99. Pedro Alvarez, Matt Dominguez, Alexi Gondo. Drew Storen, Dustin Ackley, Neil Walker, Delman Young, Scott Baker, Ryan Braun, Sliding Star, Prince Fielder, Straight Cut Back, Mike Trout, Matt Cain, Dylan Betances. 3 more packs. Al Kaline, Mike Schmidt, Carl Yastrzemski, John Smoltz, Willie Mays, Babe Ruth, Ernie Banks, regular mini, Derek Holland, Louis Aparicio, Michael Morse. Brett Gardner, Mark Reynolds, Ricky Weeks, Miguel Montero, Mike Stanton, Dustin Pedroia, Mike Moustakas, Straight Cut Back, Jimmy Rollins, Catfish Hunter, Roy Oswald. Last pack, Sandy Koufax, Buster Posey, CC Sabathia, Mariano Rivera, Dwayne Wise, Ralph Kiner. I think it's Matt Harrison, regular back. Aroldis Chapman, Corey Hart, and Brennan Bosch. So the hits for the Drew Stubbs auto, the Mickey Mantle frame, Evan Longoria relic, the Daniel Bard auto, and the Jimmy Rollins relic. So thanks again for your purchases. Don't forget to check out our other stuff. There's a few spots left in a Topps Tribute break. We'll be putting up a new museum collection tomorrow night. I'm going to put all the teams up at 9 o'clock Eastern. So if there's a team you want and you haven't gotten in on that, check that out. We've pulled some nice stuff out of there. I think that's about it. We'll have some more for the weekend. Probably do another Gypsy Queen. Maybe a Bowman since it comes out this week. And there's also a Bowman case break that's about half sold. So check those out. Thanks again.